Good afternoon, students. I will start solution chapter, class 12, chemistry. We will first start introduction of the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances of dissimilar molecular structure. For example, sugar and salt in water, O2 in water, etc. Homogeneous mixture means transparent mixture. First, the solution are made by two component. First is solvent and second is solute. The solution, simple definition, solvent plus solute are called solution. Solute is substance that is dissolved in a solvent to form a solution is termed as solute. For example, when we dissolved salt or sugar in water, water dissolved sugar and salt, and the sugar and salt are called solute. Another definition, solvent is substance, usually liquid, having the power of dissolving other substance in it. For example, sugar and salt are dissolved in water, then water is called solvent because having the power of dissolving sugar and salt substances in it. For general definition, the component that is present in a largest quantity is known as solvent and other than solvent are called solute. Types of solution. Generally, three types of solution. First, gaseous solution, second, liquid solution, and third, solid solution. We first discuss the gaseous solution. We know that the solution are made by two components, first solute and another solvent. If solute in the form of gas and solvent in the form of gas. Common example, mixture of O2 and N2. We know that oxygen is also gas and nitrogen is also gas. The mixture of O2 and N2 is gaseous solution or gaseous solution. Similarly, in the form of solute, liquid form, solvent, gas form, common example, chloroform and N2 gas. We know that the chloroform in the liquid form and N2 in the gaseous form. Similarly, if the solute is solvent and solvent is gas, for example camphor, we know the camphor is kapoor and N2 gas. All the example are gaseous solution, and from this data it is clear that the solvent in this form only gaseous. So this type of solution are called gaseous solution. Second, liquid solution. First, if the solute is gas and solvent is liquid, for example oxygen dissolved in water. Similarly, if the solute is liquid and solvent is liquid, for example ethyl alcohol and water. If solute is solid and solvent is liquid, for example glucose C6H12O6, glucose and water. We know that the glucose is solid and water is liquid, and Here we note that the solvent is liquid form, so it is liquid solution.